In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. If you encounter the too many failed attempts error while creating a Yahoo email account, it usually means that Yahoo's system has temporarily blocked your access due to repeated failed actions like incorrect CAPTCHA inputs, multiple account creations from the same IP, or suspicious activity. Fortunately, this is fixable with a few simple but effective steps. First, you'll want to wait it out. Yahoo's system typically resets the failed attempt counter after a short cooldown period, usually anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours. During this time, avoid trying to create another account using the same device, browser, or network, as this could extend the block. While you wait, clear your browser cookies and cache. This can help reset some session data that Yahoo might be using to track attempts. If you're using Chrome like me, click on these three dots. Now go to Settings. In this new window, click on Privacy and Security. Now, press on Clear Browsing Data. Then select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Once you've cleared that, try accessing Yahoo using a different browser or device, or better yet, switch to a different internet connection. Yahoo flags high-frequency actions from the same IP address, so switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can make a difference. Using a VPN might help too, but make sure it's from a reputable provider and not already flagged by Yahoo's system. If you're using a phone number that's already been associated with multiple failed attempts or too many account creations, try using a different one. Yahoo might temporarily block a number that seems to be overused. Alternatively, you can use an email address instead of a phone number to register if that option is presented. Finally, once you try again, make sure you're carefully entering the CAPTCHA correctly. Some users rush through this part and get blocked because of multiple incorrect entries. If you can't read it, click the refresh icon to generate a new one or use the audio CAPTCHA for better accuracy. If nothing works, even after 24 hours, and you're certain you haven't violated Yahoo's policies, you can try contacting Yahoo Help through their support site. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.